Hello guys! Today we are going to learn about beautiful birds and what they do in nature. Birds can fly, sing, and help the environment in many ways. Let's discover them together. The European robin. The European robin is a small bird with a bright red chest. It loves to sing and is often seen in gardens. This bird helps control insects by eating them, which keeps plants healthy. The blackbird. The blackbird is known for its dark feathers and beautiful singing voice. It eats insects, worms, and fruits. Blackbirds help spread seeds and keep the environment balanced. The house sparrow. The house sparrow is a small and friendly bird that lives close to people. It eats seeds and insects. This bird helps control pests and is often seen in cities and villages. The magpie. The magpie is a smart bird with black and white feathers. It likes shiny objects and is very curious. Magpies help clean the environment by eating insects and small animals. The starling. The starling is a bird that often flies in large groups. It can make many different sounds and movements. Starlings eat insects and fruits, helping farmers and nature. The barn owl. The barn owl is a quiet night bird with a heart-shaped face. It hunts at night and eats mice and small animals. This helps control pests in farms and fields. The woodpecker. The woodpecker is a bird that pecks on tree trunks. It uses its strong beak to find insects inside the wood. This helps protect trees from damage. The nightingale. The nightingale is famous for its beautiful singing, especially at night. It eats insects and helps control their population. Its song makes nature more peaceful and enjoyable. The Eurasian jay. The Eurasian jay is a colorful and intelligent bird. It collects and hides seeds, especially acorns. This helps grow new trees and forests. The hoopoe. The hoopoe is a unique bird with a crown of feathers on its head. It eats insects from the ground and helps keep the soil and plants healthy. The golden eagle. The golden eagle is a large and powerful bird of prey. It hunts small animals and helps control their population. It is a symbol of strength and freedom. The mute swan. The mute swan is a large white bird that lives in lakes and rivers. It eats plants and helps keep water ecosystems balanced. It is also known for its beauty and grace. The mallard. The mallard is a common duck with colorful feathers. It lives in ponds and lakes. Mallards eat plants and small insects, helping maintain a healthy ecosystem. The flamingo. The flamingo is a tall, pink bird that stands on one leg. It eats tiny organisms in the water. Flamingos help keep water environments clean and balanced. The seagull. The seagull is often found near the sea. It eats fish and leftover food. Seagulls help clean the environment, especially along beaches. Birds are amazing and very important for nature. They help plants grow, control pests, and keep the environment clean. Which bird is your favorite? Let's keep learning together.